Rusty's Crypto Cave here, and today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the Coolbox II fan controller. I have all the pieces necessary. I should have ordered the 3D printed boxes when I ordered the controllers in the first place. I didn't, my bad. So I ordered them, and they just came in the other day, and today's the first day I had the opportunity to install these. So as you can see right now, the setup that I have just have these fans running at pretty much full bore, 100% all the time, which for the most part in the summer is probably really what's going to be needed to keep these cards cool. And during the winter time, it's not necessarily going to be needed to be running them at 100%. So to save on power and stuff like that, it'd be nice to have a fan controller that is also integrated into HiveOS and RaveOS and mmpOS. There's an update you can do to mmpOS. These should be working, so that's what we're going to give a try today. So I'm going to get this installed. I have 2 fan controllers for each of these cases, because if you saw my other video, I have a second case. I bought 8 more CMP100-210s, and we're going to get them up and running too, but I still have to start repadding and repasting those cards yet. But as you see on the bottom here, might be kind of hard to see with all the wires, but right there is all the fan wires and stuff. Hopefully I can get them out without having to pull cards out and make them work. But as far as USB cables, I do have them here. I probably do actually have to order 2 more because I'll need one for here and then back in there. So I'm kind of using my dog's crate as a work table right now, so it's not the best, but just because the other table still has the other case and a bunch of other crap on it yet, so I'll make do with what I got. So I'm going to get started to install this. You see, I got the instructions here. Comes with the instructions, but basically goes, I'll leave a link to this down below. They have a GitHub page with the PDF file of it. Basically, first step is just to verify the PCIe. Make sure basically PCI cables ground to the 3 pins closest to the connector's tab, which we got. That's where the tab will be, and the top 3 cables are grounds. So check that works. So the power off. Connect the PCI, the USB with the Type-C, and all the fan connectors, and a 2-pin reset. Reset side closest to the USB connector, which is that guy right there, I'm assuming. So, and then there's also, you can also set it up with Wi-Fi. It's got built-in Wi-Fi and stuff as well. So, probably not going to set that up right away. I will, hopefully everything works in mmpOS. There is an update script that I think you have to run in mmpOS, which I have in a message in Discord. So I will run that as well. But I'm guessing I'm debating whether should I start with both of them at the same time or just start with one. Might not be a bad idea to start with one, but since I already have it torn apart, I think I'm going to try to do both of them at the same time. Might not be the best move, but we will see. So we'll see how that goes, but I will start getting these installed, and I'll be right back. Well, we hit our first snag. The fan cables on the front fans are quite short, and they are not going to be able to reach all together in the same location to plug into the fan controller. I had 2 extension cables because I had them attached to 2 of these fans that run another rig in the basement on an open air frame, and I have no idea where in the hell I put them. That's part of the reason I went out and bought a bunch of these organizing totes off Amazon so I could organize shit and stack them, but I haven't done that yet, and I cannot find these damn cables. And of course, Staples, Walmart, closest places that I could possibly buy them here do not have any in stock. So it looks like I'm going to have to order some on Amazon and put the front ones on hold anyway. These 3 back ones should work. I should be able to get these to connect. I'll have to have the controller sitting here, which isn't ideal. but actually with the power cable, it's probably where it's going to have to go. But I'll get that working on that for the back fans, and we'll at least see if we get the back fans up and running on the fan controller. Alrighty, we got it all wired up. It doesn't look the prettiest, because even in the back, I think I'm going to get a bunch of fan extension cables, just so I can mount it neater, and probably even a 6-pin power cable, because all these cables are used except for one strand that comes off here, which is just a little short run, so it's kind of got to sit here temporarily just to see if it works. And so I'm just going to set it up that way just for now, and then once I get I'll probably take it back out just to see if I get it working, then take it back out, and then leave it off until I get the cables. But I have time today to play around to see if I can get it working, so that's what I'm going to do. And then once I get the extension cables, then I can mount it neatly, like over here along this space, or even rest it on top of here and have the cables just go over, and maybe get a 6-pin extension cable as well to bring that power into there. Even or mess around, because there's a shit ton of power cables to use, but I just want to see how I could arrange it that it works properly. But the fan, all the 3 back fans are plugged in, the 6-pin power cable is plugged in, USB-C is plugged in there, and plugged in the USB port in the back. Oh, and the reset, which as far as when they refer to the reset cable, yeah, you had said closest to the so as far as the reset cable, I'm assuming this would work, which is just a little power switch for a PC. I'm guessing that would also work, because that would go, let's see, I guess right there is where that one is. Let me grab another device here quick and I'll be right back. Yeah, here's another Coolbox 2. It looks like it's PC reset. Right there, it's going to be hard to read because you can't get in close enough. But I'm assuming that will go there. And that should be good. So, get her out, get her turned on. Hopefully I don't burn something up. Alrighty, we're out in the shed. I have it placed on the top shelf just for now, just so I can power this thing on and see how it works. And I did find the fan extension cables. Let me get back down. Oops. I'll get them. I knew I had 2. I just left them out here. Oh well. That's why I need to get shit organized in the same goddamn space. So let's plug in the power cable here. Yeah. Put the power switch on. Reset running. They're all running. See a red light on and a blue light flashing. In the fan controller, so let's see. It says when the board is powered, the red light will light, the blue LED will flash fast until communication is established with mmpOS, which we're on mmpOS, so my guess is that's going to blink fast until I get the update done. So, let's get back over to here. There's a message that Backwards Miner sent me in Discord from Looney Tunes. He's the dev for mmpOS, and that is the commands I got to run in mmpOS to get the update for the fan controller. So, I'm gonna give it a whirl, see if it works. So I'm gonna run that, and we'll. Don't have 2 hands, and I don't have screen recording on the laptop out here, so or actually maybe I do. I don't know. we'll see. We'll either do a screen recording here of doing the update, or we'll be back with success or failure. Alrighty, Rusty's Crypto came back. We ran into some issues getting the update to install properly on mmpOS, so it hasn't been working correctly. We keep getting this failed control transfer, libUSB transfer error. So we're going to give it a whirl. I just shut down the rig. There's the notification. I'm going to put it back to the way it was. It was up and mining again, but I don't think the rear fans are spinning at full speed, just because of the update in mmpOS isn't being installed correctly. So I don't know if I had the syntax wrong or something was copied and pasted wrong, but I want to get the exact command lines that I need and then work on it again over the weekend. But for the time being, and that will actually give you some time to that light's still blinking. It'll give me some time to get actually the extension cables and get it mounted properly the way I want it to be and where I want it to be. So for the time being, we're going to shut it down, just put it back the way it was, and then we'll be back with another video once we get this up and running. See, everything's not always a success the first time, so it's going to take some work. Get the main thing is getting the mmpOS update and get that thing working right. And I had some help with Backers Miner. Neither one of us could get it to work right. And he was remoting into my rigs and everything, and I think we just had the script wrong. So, but we'll figure it out. And then once I do, I'll put another video and let you guys know. So until the next one, we'll catch you later.